Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 13 of the Practice What I Preach series. And in this workout, I felt as if I just wanted to get some conditioning back. So, as always, I'm doing some pull-ups first, and then I finished that off with some squat with some overhead press. I think people call them thrusters. And then towards the end, I did some burpees because I want some conditioning back. So it's all on the screen. You can watch and see me suffer and see how I progress as I go. The main thing is I just wanted to get my conditioning back. So I used to be able to comfortably perform, 20 burpees in a row without getting puffed. And now, I'm back to 5 and I'm dying and I push it to 10. So it's all about slow progression back to where you want to be. So, all the workouts on the screen. And I just wanted to talk again today about motivation and getting things done. So I suddenly have this urge to, get back to some sort of fitness and get my body conditioning back to where it was before. And even with all of that, I'm, pushing and getting my work in as I do workouts. And at the same time, I need to focus on the recovery part as well, because you can push and break down and all that kind of stuff. But if you're not giving yourself enough time to recover, then you're not gonna, get stronger and grow from everything you're doing. So just a fun fact that I heard from the Lex Friedman podcast with Dr. Walker, was that if you get less than 6 hours of sleep a night, he gives you a 300% chance increase of calcification of your carotid artery. The carotid artery is the main artery in your heart that, pumps blood out to your body. So if you're getting calcification, it's pretty much blocking that artery and it's, stopping blood flow, and it can result in stroke and, early death. So let's not do that. Let's get blood moving to your body and your brain. Get more than 6 hours of sleep, please. And that's how you recover the best. So hope you're having a good day. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.